Hello, it's Tom Hiddleston here, and I'm here with my last emergency lessons video of the year. In 2015, an earthquake shattered the lives of children in Nepal. Almost 9,000 people were killed, but UNICEF is on the ground there, providing all the tools that these children need so they can keep going to school. In a video you may have seen, two children called Amosha and Anjali have asked us to express how we feel about school in an emoji. So here goes, here's mine. There you go. That's how I feel about school. The hashtag is emergency lessons. And there you go. And as many of you will know, this has been a campaign to spread the word that for these children in emergencies, school can be as life-saving as food and medicine. Thanks very much. Lots of love from me.